Got a big box in them.
Yep.
Will it fit on your lap?
Should. We got chicks.
A big box of chicks.
Yep. Hit me. Hey guys, we've got the chicks home.
Okay guys, we ordered Egyptian Famiolis chickens, white Astria chickens, golden comets, cream leg bars, and white sultans. And the white sultans is what we really wanted, but they were short at the factory, so they didn't give us any. They shorted us our sultans, so
Really mad about that because I really wanted them.
yeah, that's what we really wanted, or Emmy really wanted, is the white sultans. So
We got the little cream leg bars.
cream leg bars have a green head.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and get the ones out that we ordered, and we'll count those, and then we'll check. We got Emmy and I, we get what they call a hatchery surprise
Every year. Oop.
So
And what's the first thing we ordered?
Egyptians.
Yep,
Egyptians, they have an orange head.
How many did we order?
5.
We've got 5. Put this one over there.
I like the Egyptians because they're a very small bird. They're a small bird, and they'll start laying eggs at 4.5 months old.
Got the Australia white.
The Austria whites have the purple head.
Yep.
We ordered 5 of those. We ordered hens.
4, 5, 6. That's weird.
They give us 6 Austria whites.
They must have had extra.
Yep. They're a good egg laying chicken. Here's the Egyptians.
They lay at 4.5 months.
4.5 months, and they're a good layer too. They lay eggs really good.
That's what we need.
We have the golden comet. They got a blue head. That's the golden comet.
And we ordered. How many did we order? 5?
5.
And are these heavy ones? And did we order heads or?
Yeah, we ordered pullets, which are females. We're after eggs, and we don't want to feed any more roosters than we have to. Okay, how many did we add in? They give us 6 Austria whites. I don't have my pen with me. They give us 6 Austria whites, 5 Egyptians, and 5 golden comets. Okay.
16.
Green heads, which would be cream leg bars.
This should be the rest, probably, right?
Yep.
They have.
These lay a blue egg. These are cream leg bars. They lay a blue egg.
There's 6 of them.
So they give us an extra one of each of those.
Yep. So that would equal.
How many?
16
plus 6?
Yeah.
24?
Yeah, 24.
No.
Wait, no,
22.
22.
Yep.
And we ordered unsexed ones.
Yeah, those are unsexed. We didn't get our
Smarty birds are eaten.
Okay, so now we're off to the hatchery or the mystery pack.
Where we get ducks and turkeys.
Yep, we got
and
ducks. We got two little ducks.
Nice little duckies. Lively little
I'm not sure what kind those are. We got two turkeys. This here looks like a buff.
Where's the other turkey?
A buff turkey.
There it is. This one I don't know. It's got like a dark head. This one's not a buff turkey. This one's a different type turkey.
It's a white turkey.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like a broad-breasted white. No. Looks like it's going to be a blue slate. It's like a blue slate turkey.
Cool. Okay, got Polish. Got all sorts of types of Polish in here.
This here's a black, white-crested black Polish.
There's my other Polish. It's a white Polish.
That's a white Polish.
That's all the Polish in here. Now, this one looks like a Polish, but this is actually a Houdan. You can see the toes on this is one extra. So this one has 5 instead of 4.
You can see he's also got a beard.
Yeah.
He's bearded, and he will actually have a... Do they have a tuft? Do they have feathers on their head?
Yep.
Okay.
I have one in the back that's black.
Okay.
Oh, it's a golden Polish. It's golden lace Polish. Or a Cochin, I mean.
That's a Cochin, golden lace Cochin.
What are these? I get them every year, but I don't know what they are. They look like almonds.
Those are probably barnvelders.
Are they good birds?
Yeah, they lay a nice dark brown egg.
What is... Oops! Black Polish. Or black Cochin.
Black Cochin. Are we counting these?
How many? So we've got 2 Polish, 1 Cochin, a Houdan, 2 Polish, 7, 8 so far coming out.
8. Okay.
Oh, and I'm not counting turkeys and ducks because
Okay.
I'll count them later.
Okay, 8 with that one. Let's just move them over there to count them.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'll count mine.
Let's just do this one, so
I had 6.
I had 7.
So it's 14 plus 8.
That's 13.
13 plus 8?
13 plus 8, 21.
21? Okay.
So we have 21 here. How many did you get?
I got 6.
Got 6. 12 plus 21. 33. What did you get?
9.
11. So that would be 20 plus 33, which equals 53 birds.
We got 53 in our plus 2 ducks and 2 turkeys.
Which would be 57.
Yep.
We got extra, way extra. Are we supposed to get 50? 45, 50 at this time. What's that? I don't know. I don't know what it was.
I'm guessing that's a Sumatra.
Guess it's so.
Yep.
You wanted them last year, but they were mean. The rooster was mean. What do you think these are? These are
I don't know what that is.
Is this the same thing?
I have no idea.
think that's the same thing as what we just saw. What are you? And what are you? This was a white bird.
With a black spot.
With a black spot. And this was a white cochin.
See the feathers on his feet? A white cochin. Make great moms. If we had a cochin broody right now, we'd put all these chicks under and every one of them would survive.
These three look like...
This here looks like a buff.
These two look like golden lace Wyandottes.
That's a buff something.
These two are golden lace Wyandottes. I'm pretty sure because I had a pair of these last year.
Golden lace Wyandottes.
This one's a fancy cochin.
Ooh, buddy, he's got a lot of feathers, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does. It's pretty soft, too.
Be a golden lace cochin.
Yep.
And man, does he got a lot of feathers on his feet.
So does this one. I think that, I don't know what this one is.
That's a cochin.
So, I know it's a cochin, but I don't know what kind of cochin.
Yeah, I don't know. That might be a golden lace, too.
Feisty.
I would call that a bollard rock.
Probably.
It's got black on his legs. He's got a black, and it's got a white dot on his head. That means that's a girl. This one here's a girl. That's how you sex golden, or...
These two are cochins, I think, but they don't have many feathers.
Yep, those are silver lace cochins, probably.
Probably. I don't know what this is. This one's something. He might be an astrolorp.
No, he's got white on him. Astrolorps are black.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go.
This one's something golden lace, probably. And the duck thinks he's in water. Another pair of something. I don't know what they are.
They got single combs. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. We don't know them all.
Buff coaches.
That's why they call it a mystery pack.
Yep. Buff
Although
coaches.
we do know most of them.
Yeah.
I've had chicks now probably for the last 40 years. Lots of cochins this time.
Yeah, I know. These two are buff cochins. We have a really fancy cochin in that one. Let's get these ones cleared out. I don't know what he is. Wyandotte?
Barnvelder.
Barnvelder?
Yeah. I don't know if we got any Marins.
I'm not sure.
These look almost like Rhode Island Reds.
They do. This one looks... I don't know what it is.
I don't know what that one is.
This one, I don't know what this one, I think this one is some sort of, go away. Can I get into this?
These guys was shipped when, Em?
May 9th.
May 9th, yeah.
Monday.
So today's Wednesday. They've been in transit for 2 days.
Another one of these birds.
Hampshire. It's either Hampshire red or a Rhode Island red. No, actually, that might be a Welsomer. That looks sort of like a Welsomer.
This one is smaller than everything else. I think it could be a bantam.
Could be a bantam.
Is that another one of those Sumatras?
No, he's got a beard.
I don't know what he is.
See the puff? I know what he is, don't you? Got a beard.
Yeah, I don't know.
That one there is an Easter egger. It might be a golden lace Wyandotte.
This one's a bantam of some sort. He's pretty little.
Yeah, that is a bantam.
Come here. Barred rock. Almost.
This could be an aster. No, this. I don't know what these are. There's another cochin. You have lots of cochins then. Here's an Easter egger. Got a beard.
Another cochin. Another cochin. Like, got a bunch of cochins here.
Here's. I don't know what that is. He's got a beard and he's got. Oh, he's got. This here is one of those salmon formoliuses.
This is our last cochin. Like, I don't know. Last cochin. He's fluffy though.
This here's a bantam.
This one could be an astrolorp. This one here, I think, is the astrolorp. She's all black. He has not really any white on him. I don't know what he is. Okay. Alright guys, so that was us unboxing some more chicks. We didn't do it last year because of COVID. They couldn't ship them. So, yeah.